So today we are going to do the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 4, the Adventure Combo. So since this is the DJI Osmo Action 4, the Adventure Combo, so we have three additional setup that we get inside the box, that is the extension rod. Also we have extra 3 sets of batteries which gives you a good power backup while on the go. Also you get a battery case which is used for charging your battery, and also it can be used as a power bank for your mobile as well. Shortly I'll be also doing a user review of this particular action camera. I'll be also making a separate video of why I have chosen this action camera over the Action 5 Pro, which is now new in the market. One of the important features regarding this Osmo Action 4 is its sensor, which is a big sensor of 1 by 1.5 inch, gives you a stunning photograph in the low light scenarios. Apart from that, it also comes with a 10-bit D-Log M system, which gives you an option to grade your footage. It also comes with deep freeze resistance and long lasting batteries, which means like this very deep freeze resistance, and even in minus 20 degrees centigrade you can have your action camera running. Also 4K 1 by 120 fps and 150 degree FOV, which is field of view. It also comes with one vertical and one horizontal mount and a quick release system. Also it comes with a different stabilization mode, 360 degree horizontal steady mode. It is also waterproof. That means that you can have stunning videos and photos inside water as well. Also it comes with dual touchscreen and many other features there in this particular Action 4, which I'll be covering in my detailed review video. So before wasting much of the time, let's open this particular box up and let's see what's inside. I'm quite excited to open this particular box. So there are two boxes, as you can see. One, I think it's written over here, it's a Osmo Action 4. I think this contains the camera, and also you have this another box which is written as accessories. I think it's have the accessories, and inside the box you'll find the extension rod. So it's quite nicely packed. Let's see the quality of this particular extension rod. This grip is quite sturdy and it feels good. It's of a good quality, and here, as I was telling you, you can extend this particular extension rod, so it's of good quality. Let's keep it aside and let's see what we have in this accessories box. I think these are 2 sets of screws. Let's keep it. This is a magnetic mount, I think, and this is a C2C type cable, can be used for charging. This is the battery case. It's quite a good quality DJI battery case. It's very beautiful, and there is a button. Once I switched this particular button, all the lights came on and all the 3 batteries have started charging. And one additional feature which I have come to know regarding this charging case is, like, suppose you are using one of the battery in your action camera and it is down, and once you put it back for charging, it as a priority it will start charging this particular battery rather than charging these two. So because obviously these two are already fully charged, as a priority it will charge the battery which is of low charge. So this is quite a good feature. Now coming to the main box, the Action 4. So quite excited. Let's see what's inside. I think this is the protective case, and I think this is the main camera. Wow, I'll just open it. Let's keep the master of the show beside, and here you have a, I think, protection for this particular lens of the camera. So before going ahead unboxing the camera, let's see what are the accessories we have in the box. It's a quite rough and tough protective case we have. There is a clip, let's see what we have. There is another, I think, magnetic mount. Now one thing good about this DJI is it comes with a magnetic mount. So once, suppose if you're using, the mount is used in your camera, you can easily unmount it and you can easily use it on the stand or anywhere else wherever and it's easily like detachable. There is another mount which you can use in the camera or maybe in some place where you can stick it. Over here you have a sticky pad, you can just open it, stick it, and you have the mounted camera. Now the topper of the show, the camera. Let's unbox it. Wow. So the first and foremost impression which I have holding this particular camera, it's a feel good factor, you know. It's a quite a good like quality, what I can say. It's quite handy and it looks quite good, and it comes with two screens. It's a bigger screen and it's for a smaller screen for the selfie camera. Let's neatly take out the camera lens. It's a 1/1.5 lens, and over here I think you need to place the battery. Over here is the slot for the battery, and over here there is a slot for your memory card. So I'll switch it on later. So now let's see how the magnetic mount works in this particular camera. Wow, it's quite powerful, and it's with a click. I think you heard a clicking sound. It's done, and it's quite sturdy, you know. It won't fall down. Opening is also quite easy. There are two clips over here. Just press it and good to go. So this is a longer or bigger one. I think you can use it for the stick, and this contains a smaller magnetic mount. So that's it. The protection, I have also purchased this particular accessory from Amazon. So it is actually for the protection of my lens, the small screen and the larger screen that is behind. It will protect the screen for dust and dirt, because obviously, you know, I'm a biker and I go for long rides into dirt and dust, so it will be obviously protecting the screen. I'll be doing it later. And also I have purchased this particular SanDisk Extreme, that is of 256 GB, which I'll be using it in this action camera. I'll be making a separate video about how this camera is performing and also why I purchased this particular Action 4 over the Action 5 Pro. That's it for today. Thank you so much.
If you like our video, then like, share and subscribe.